I've studied over 100 different X Twitter ads over the last 2 years, and this is what you really need to grow. Most people will just tell you you need to post more how-to stuff, more theory stuff, and just things that really don't help people. But what I found by studying these ads is what works versus what doesn't work. And that's what we're gonna break down in today's video. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, helped over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more here. Now, our agency helps people with X ads. We've been doing this ever since Musk told all the advertisers to go F themselves. I realized it was a hidden opportunity to run ads. Now, we started doing them the wrong way, just like most people have done them the wrong way, running ads like a Facebook ad, trying to get more clicks to your website. But what we found is people are on X to build relationships, and that's what you need to do with your posts. Now, I'm going to share my screen and show you a small account and a big account. We actually see even better results from the small accounts. And if you look right here, this account just has a few thousand followers, and it's building real relationships with its followers. It's posting helpful content, it's building loyal fans, and it's providing a ton of value. This other post, they've purchased followers in the past. That means they have low engagement, but a lot of followers. It may look good on paper, but they're actually not getting leads, customers, and sales from it. And your X ads always start with a good organic post, something that you can test that you see work well. What you don't want to do is set up bad targeting, showing your ads to the wrong people. You don't want to do self-promotion posts because people just don't care about that. But what you want to do is different. It's build relationships, educate, and provide helpful content. When somebody wants to work with you, they know where to look. So I'm going to show you a few posts that do really well. And what we do is we post them organically. We have these prompts that you can plug and play your content into, and then you want to provide a helpful image or a helpful video. What you want to do is threads, value posts, free downloads, or asking questions like polls. And then what you want to do like this is add ads to the post that provide high value, not junk posts. So here's a few more ads looking at here where you can see that we're asking people to leave a comment. We're asking them to engage. We're asking them to get something of high value. And that's what we want to do is we want to educate, but also give something of values that somebody can use, learn, and implement. And then when they realize that they're not going to be able to do this on their own or just don't have time to do it on their own, they're going to reach back out to you and hire you because you're the one that helped. You don't need thousands of dollars to succeed on X ads. Really, $5 to $15 a day to start is the best. Now, when you first start your X ads, what you want to do is be in testing mode and algorithm mode. So number one is you need to focus on getting the cost down. When you first start your ad account, the costs are going to be super high. Run ads at $5 or $10 a day for 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, the algorithm will start learning your ads, start learning your audience, and then they're going to start trusting you, and those costs are going to come down. Then you can start bringing the budget up. Then when number two is when I say testing, you want to throw all your organic posts into your ads and see which one works best. Now, obviously, organic posts that did well organically will probably work best at first, but you want to test, and see which one of those ads resonate with your audience. Then you're going to see here, these ads is what you want to now do for retargeting. So we call the first ads top of funnel. All right, now that you've set up your top of funnel, that first ad where you're promoting organic tweets that you've already done, what you want to do is set up a follow-up ad. This is where you do your retargeting. And what you want to do is set it ad up just like this, where you're going to choose anyone that engaged, liked, or followed your page from that first ad. And this ad is going to ask them to either DM you or click on a link. And this is where you want to really build that value and education and help them out as much. So here's an ad here that you can show to somebody after they've already heard about you or learned about you. Carousel images work best here as well. So feel free to try that. What you want to do is that top of funnel, the middle of funnel, get the awareness and help them, and then follow up and give them something again for value. So by running X ads, you're not going to be scaling and growing like crazy with just the ads. What you need is a really good organic strategy, a helpful educational strategy, and then what you use is the ads to amplify them. Use these posts as ideas, and if you need these prompts and you want to use this, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you my X ad system so you can learn how to set up these ads for yourself. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. And if you want to learn more about X ads and X marketing, check out this playlist here. And I hope to see you on my next video.